channel, and thank you so much for stopping by. So I love salads. I eat them all the time, and salads, you can make so many different types. You can put so many different ingredients together and it could be really delicious. So I'm going to show you a different way on how I make mine. So if you want to see how I make it, then keep watching. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much to all of my new subscribers. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell just in case when I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's go ahead and get cooking. So like I said earlier, I love salads, and you know what, it's hot out here and we don't need to be turning on any oven. So let's go ahead and make this salad full of amazing ingredients and flavors. So first, I'm going to get started on the salad dressing. So in a medium bowl, I'm just going to add 2 tablespoons of some toasted sesame oil. And I also have 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. I have 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce. Okay, so now I'm ready to add 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And now I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of real maple syrup. I've already chopped, and now I'm going to add 3 garlic cloves, along with 2 tablespoons of some minced ginger. And for some thickness, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of some tahini, and just grab a whisk and mix everything together. So this is something that I really like to do. I'm just going to put half of the salad dressing at the bottom of the bowl before I put the entire salad in. So now that the dressing is all done, I'm going to get started on all the salad ingredients. And I have a pound of Brussels sprouts, and I'm just going to take a knife and just run it through it, shred it. And also, if you have a food processor, you can also use that as well. I'm sure it would be a lot more easier and a lot more faster. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and run my knife through all of my Brussels sprouts. Okay, so this is what the Brussels sprouts look like, and I'm just going to take them over and just add them to the bowl. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slice up a red cabbage, and I'm just going to take my knife again and just slice around 3 to 4 cups of some purple cabbage. And that's what it looks like. And again, I'm just going to take it over and just add this to the bowl, you know, along with the salad dressing and the Brussels sprouts. And now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of some shredded carrots, and you can buy this already shredded. You don't have to worry about cutting these carrots. So now I'm going to chop 1 red bell pepper. You can use whatever bell pepper that you like. The red ones are usually my favorite, but you know, you can use the green ones or the yellow ones, whatever that you like. But you know, I really love the red bell peppers. And here are my red bell peppers, and I'm just going to take it and add it to the bowl as well. So now I'm going to chop 4 green onions, and I know it seems like a lot of ingredients, but the thing about salads is that the ingredients are really reasonable and they're really healthy, and that's probably why I love eating salads. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and chop these onions, and once I'm done, I'm going to add that to the bowl as well. Now you guys, this part can be optional. I know a lot of people may not like cilantro, but it really doesn't bother me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and chop 1 cup of it and add it to the bowl. But if you don't like cilantro, just go ahead and add 1 cup of chopped fresh parsley. So we are done as far as the chopped vegetables, and I'm just going to grab some tongs and give everything a nice big toss. And one of the reasons why I like to put the salad dressing on the bottom of the salad, so it will coat the bottom. So now I'm going to pour the rest of the salad dressing on top, just so that the salad can be fully coated all over. And again, I'm going to give it a nice big toss. So now to add some nutty crunch, I'm going to add some roasted almonds along with some chopped cashews to the top of the salad. And that is it, you guys. You just give it a nice big toss. I know it was a lot of ingredients, but again, all the ingredients are really reasonable and it's so delicious. And all those amazing flavors. It's gonna have a little bit of an Asian flair to it, but it's really delicious. It's really healthy. You know, it's really warm where I am, so this would be a nice cool salad to enjoy this summer. Or, you know, it's perfect for any day of the year. It's really that good, you guys. But that is it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. I really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know. Follow me, tag me on Instagram, take a picture. I would love to see it. And if you give this recipe a try, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, can't make cold.
So if you made it this far, you might as well go ahead and click that subscriber button down there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right over there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.